Prime Minister Narendra Modi has embarked on a significant five-nation tour from July 2nd to 9. His itinerary includes Ghana, Trinidad and Tobago, Argentina, Brazil and Namibia. This week-long visit aims to strengthen India's engagement with the Global South, with a special focus on defense, energy, rare earth minerals, trade and development cooperation. Strengthening India-Brazil strategic ties. Brazil remains a key focus as Modi heads to Rio de Janeiro and Brasilia from July 5th to 8th. There, he will attend the BRICS summit and hold high-level bilateral talks with President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva. India and Brazil, strategic partners since 2006, are now ramping up their collaboration in critical sectors, especially defense. Defense cooperation, mutual interest. Brazil, Latin America's largest military power, is turning to India's rising defense industry for advanced systems, joint production opportunities and battlefield technologies. The success of India's Operation Sindoor has enhanced Brazil's confidence in Indian missile systems. Akash Air Defense and BrahMos missiles. Among the top items of interest are the Akash Air Defense System and the BrahMos NG supersonic missile. Both systems are known for their precision, range and adaptability across platforms. If acquired, they could significantly boost Brazil's aerial defense and strike capabilities. Tejas fighter jet and aircraft upgrades. India's Tejas fighter jet has also caught Brazil's attention. As Brazil looks to retire its aging F-5 and AMX aircraft, the Tejas presents a cost-effective, agile and modern replacement. Naval systems and submarine collaboration. Naval cooperation is on the agenda too. Brazil is exploring Indian-made offshore patrol vessels, coastal radar systems, and maintenance partnerships for its Scorpion-class submarines. India is also offering Garuda artillery systems and coastal surveillance technologies. Growing defense industry links. This cooperation is unfolding at a time when India's defense exports have surged dramatically, 34 times since 2015, and its domestic production has surpassed $17 billion. With Brazil's $25 billion annual defense budget and growing strategic ambitions, the synergy between the two countries is timely and promising. As Prime Minister Modi's tour continues, Brazil stands out not only as a vital bilateral partner, but as a cornerstone in India's broader push to shape a new era of South-South strategic cooperation.